Hey guys, alright, well this is the first time anybody's seen me, so we're out here in the shop today and I got a part I have to machine. It's part of the fourth axis that we put together for the Precision Matthews, and I came to realize that I wish I had made the base a little thicker. So this is the attempt to improve on the base and make it twice as thick, which will allow us to machine a 4-inch square part in the lathe chuck that is mounted to the fourth axis. So let's see if we can get started with this machining of this part. Okay, so as you can see, we've got it set up here on the fixture plate, and I've already got it probed in and everything, so I'll get the tool in the spindle and we'll see if we can get started machining it. We're going to be using this tool again. This is the High Helix 1/2-inch 3-flute carbide end mill that we used to do a few of the other parts on the conversion kit. I figured we'd try to use it again on this. We'll be taking about a 5/8 depth of cut, and it's going to be 40 thousandths width of cut at 1700 RPM, and the feed rate's going to be 9 inches a minute. Once again, the 1700 RPM has got me tied down to about 9 inches a minute on this end mill because of the chip load. Okay, so we'll be taking a 2D adaptive to start with on each side. We'll be doing this side, I believe it does this side first and then it does the back side. I'm going to do a 2D contour just to clean up the surface a little bit from the 2D adaptive and smooth up the side here. We'll go ahead and get started with that. It'll be using the same tool. It'll just be two processes with the same tool.
what we always said, learn what costs unneeded, learn